channel. So today I'm gonna do ignore challenge for 24 hours to my friend. So how I have to be quiet so I don't want my friend to hear that I'm gonna ignore her for 24 hours. And I promise you guys will love it, and promise, stay with me. And let's get into the video. I love guitars. I really love the guitar because they have a lot of songs, and my favorites. They're so cool. Guys, look at here. See? And then you press this. Super fun, my favorite. Hi Malaika, how are you? Let's go outside. It's a nice day outside. Let's go and play outside. Come on. Who's talking? Who's talking? I do not see anybody. Malaika, it's me, your friend. It's me, your friend. But where are you, my friend? I know you're ignoring me. Stop. Let's go play outside. I'm not ignoring anybody. Come outside. Let's play. It's a nice weather outside. Look. Who's touching me and keep saying? I don't know what is going on here. It's kind of creepy. Can you tell me what's going on? Because you can't see me for no reason. I'm your best friend. Who's shaking my arm and pulling me and saying that? What is going on ever? Saying, touching me. Oh, my favorite. You are my best friend. Malaika, let's just go outside and play. Come on, Malaika. Let's play outside. We are wasting our time. We have to go and play outside. Who is talking on? Malaika, come and play or else I'm gonna pull your leg. Malaika, pulling my leg. Maybe I think it's creepy. That never happened. Malaika, I love you. Come on. We have to play outside. You're wasting our time. We have to play outside. Come on. Who is saying come on, Malaika? Let's go and play outside. Malaika, come on, play with me. No, sorry. I'm gonna go and leave outside. I'm leaving outside. Let's go. Maybe I should go because Malaika, let's go outside and play. Who's touching me? What happened to her? Why isn't she talking to me? Let's try again. It's beautiful outside. Malaika, come, let's play together. Wait, she's so. Wait, oh my. Malaika, it's so fun. Who's saying on me? I did not see playing Malaika, right? Oh, what is going on? Why that swing is moving? Maybe it's swinging together. Swing. Malaika, what's going on? You didn't do this to me before. Why are you doing this to me? Come on, talk to me. Why can't you talk to me? Oh, I love swing. My swing is too much fun. Let's swing together. See, it's so fun. I told you, but you weren't listening that time. Look, this is more comfy. I love it. Why are you moving away? Don't you know I'm your best friend? Why are you running away from me? Don't you know I'm your best friend? Who is talking? I do not see anyone. What is going on here? Can't you see your friend here sitting with you? Show me. Nobody is here. I think maybe I should go on the slide. My favorite is slide so much. I love good night. Who is saying have a good night, Malaika? Maybe I think I should go inside because it's getting colder and night and darker and sun is getting setting. So yeah, I need a little bit calm down. Alright guys, this was a long day and time. So I think I'm tired. I need a little bit rest and I need to go to sleep. Have a good night, everybody.
Alright guys, wake up! Guys! Wake up now!
It's morning. Oh, finally. Sorry, Iman. I was just pranking you to ignore you. Give me a big hug, please. But don't do that ever again. Okay, fine. I will never gonna do that again. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Give a big thumbs up and put the notification bell on, and we will see you at next video.